Hey, John Kavakis here with a new edition of My Take. And today we've got the Matrix Mini Mania series version of the 63 through 67 Riley Elf Mark II. Now, to understand what this car is, you need to understand a little bit about Mini. Mini was produced by the British Motor Company starting in 1959 and throughout a series of permutations of that company. That production lasted all the way to 2000. It was small, it was roomy, and it was an absolute blast to drive. I don't know if you've ever had a chance to drive a Mini, but if you haven't and you get a chance, get behind the wheel and find out what it's all about. That thing just handled like it was on rails. It was maneuverable. It was surprisingly roomy for its size. It was really a great package, but it wasn't very luxurious. It was noted for being economical. It was noted for being relatively easy to maintain, but it wasn't noted for being very posh. Now, those cars became icons. They're highly collectible today. They keep on appreciating in the market. If you're in the market for one, you need to grab it right now. But they left a little bit of a question on the table, was there room in the market for something a bit more upscale, albeit somewhat small? So enter Riley and their Elf in 1961. Wolseley had a version, almost an identical twin, called the Hornet. But these cars were larger than the Mini. They had a proper boot, that would be trunk to you people in the United States. They had high-end interiors, leather seats, wood trim, full-length dash made out of wood, very beautiful wood, and there was a lot of more bright work on the exterior trim, the grills, the surrounds around the grills and everything. Just a more of an upscale looking car, a little bit larger than the Mini. So the Mark II was improved in 1963, came with a bigger engine, bigger brakes. They added an automatic transmission option in 1965. So those cars aren't quite as well known, but they really are fascinating cars. And Matrix has given us one in 1/43rd scale. I've got it right here. I want to get it on a turntable and show it to you, give you some close-ups so you can appreciate the exquisite detail that Matrix has incorporated into this model. Of course, the packaging in the base is Matrix usual high-end, great packaging, great presentation. Here's the car. So there it is. Great lensing, great badging, great detail, really minute, really nice finish. It's just a beautiful car. I think the pictures show all that. So if you want one, they're going to be somewhere around $110, $120, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. It will depend on your dealer, but they're already getting hard to find. If you want one, contact your dealer and let them know that you're interested in it. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate your time. The channel's doing great. And that's because you've been so helpful, and appreciate the encouragement I get. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there. Love to see your comments. You got to go to YouTube to be able to do that. But stay tuned. I've got some really exciting stuff coming up, and I've got some interviews in the line that you're going to want to see. I'll be back again really soon.